Welcome to our channels. In today's video I want to show you how to make beans cake akara at home. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and do so and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video you will be notified. So what you are going to be needed is you need groundnut oil, you need your beans flour, you need your red pepper, you need your chopper onion, you need water, you need seasoning. So you pour your beans flour inside the bowl. Add your beans flour inside a bowl, add your chopper onion, then put your grounded pepper, then add water and stir it. Add the water gradually, little by little, so that it will not be too light and not too thick. Then after that you add your seasoning and your salt. Then you stir it together, stir it very well, and see if you like the thickness or the lightness. You stir it very well. After, so add your oil inside a pot or fry pan, then put it on the fire to hot. Then to know that the oil is hot, you can add a little pinch of your mixture inside the oil to test it. So after that, you now be putting it portion by portion inside the hot oil. So when the beans turn golden brown, know that it's ready. So it's about to be removed from the oil and put another batch till you finish frying it. So it's ready. Look at how it is. You can see that it's very beautiful. You can take it with your pap, your garri, anything you can take it with. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.